Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at the range now. We've got 3 Desert Eagles. Here we have a 44 Magnum with a burnt bronze Cerakote finish. Over here we have a 50 Action Express, all stainless steel with an integral muzzle brake. And over here we have the newest, which is also a 50 Action Express with a case hardened frame, slide, and barrel, along with walnut grips. Let's load them up. I've got freshly painted targets, so let's do it. Let's start out with the all stainless model, and 50 Action Express holds 7 rounds. This has an integral muzzle brake, rails on top and the bottom with all black grips and controls and trigger. Just a beautiful gun. I love this thing. Stainless steel, looks beautiful, shoots outstanding. I've got some freshly painted targets there. Let's see how it goes. Woo! Dead nuts. Little low. Perfect. And there we go. This used to be my favorite. I love this Desert Eagle. It shoots so nice, so smooth, and it's always been very reliable. Love the 50 Action Express, and this thing is a beauty. Here we have the case hardened Desert Eagle with the frame, slide, and barrel all case hardened. Look at that. What a nice look. It has a clear coat finish on it, so a lot of people were asking about that. It's protected fairly well, and it has walnut grips with the Desert Eagle logo. Same sights, rail up top. Let's see how it goes. Missed. Here we go. Here we go. This one right here. All right. These take a little breaking into. Sometimes, you know, you just have to get the feel of it, but they are very controllable. Nice, strong hold on the grip. You should have no problem with the Desert Eagle. Anybody that holds it loose, it's going to flop all over the place, and you won't be on target. Here's a 44 Magnum Desert Eagle with a burnt bronze finish. Now when you get a Desert Eagle, Magnum Research gives you a list of ammo that works best for that gun. It has to be a heavy pressured ammo that works the slide. Okay, big heavy slide here to chamber each round. This ammo that I'm using now is not on that list. It's American Eagle 240 grain jacketed hollow point. All right, so it is possible when I fire this that not every round will chamber, and that's perfectly understandable. Now, one more thing. Many people asked me, how's that finish holding up after a couple years? And you can see right there, it looks just as nice as the day that I got it. Very nice looking burnt bronze and 44 Magnum. Let's see how it goes. All right, so that's what I expected. Should have got a heavier load here. All right, there you go. So much more controllable, being that it's just a standard 44 Magnum load, but it's an incredible shooting gun. I mean, the accuracy that it delivers with the 6-inch barrel really is amazing. Let's see how much recoil the 44 Magnum delivers. Not bad at all. 50 Action Express. So there it is, 3 excellent Desert Eagle handguns. I hope I was able to demonstrate how they can be controlled with a nice, strong grip. Each of them fire very well. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.